EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows in the project setup how to set default values used in 3D model building, mainly refer to flanged connections. This menu sets the default gasket code, which it is generated by flange connections for all project piping specifications. Although the specification can force using a different code, default value should be the most used one. This is the gasket thickness that it is automatically used in every case where the thickness is not defined. Moreover, gasket thickness can be set from the specifications, and therefore allow setting a different thickness according to the nominal diameter or derived from the line definitions. The encode assigned to gaskets can be the same of the component that generates the gasket, or set from the gasket definition in specification. This second option can be useful in projects where the RF or FF compatibility is required. This allows imposing a gasket encode, the end generating components notwithstanding. This option verifies that the gasket thickness of the component being placed is the same as the one defined for the snap component. Each end defines half of that value, and due to changes in the specifications, any inconsistencies may arise at this level. It is only mandatory for PDMS compatibility. This option sets the default stud bolts, which are generated by flanged connection for all project piping specifications. Although the specification can force using a different code, default value should be the most used one. Here the stud diameters can be generated in inches or millimeters. Stud tables are defined with both values. Here the clamp default code is set for the project. This code cannot be changed from specifications. In case different clamp models are used, the additional code can be used to discriminate among them. Here we can impose a welding thickness to be used in butt weldings. To define the length tolerance for pipes, a command adds the length tolerance to a pipe end, generally used in spools prefabrication, and allows entering a default value or any other value. This is the minimum pipe length used in component automatic generation. In places with length less than this value, the pipe is not generated, and each place is marked with a cross. And here we can set the axis of the geographic north. It is used in both 2D plans and isometric annotation.